Good day and welcome back to the Microsoft Windows Operating System Basics course. We will continue with our Windows 10 course and we will be looking to the last topics of this particular main topic, and that is talking about documents and how you can save documents in programs, and also showing you with a particular program how you can print. So remember that in the last video when we talked about programs and opening programs, we explained to you that, for example, the shortcuts that you find here are all representing one program or the other, and you can open a program by double clicking them. And also you can start a program from your start button or your search. Now when you open a program, for example, we're going to look at a program like Microsoft Word. You can actually use those to create what we call documents, and in some cases people call it files. So to show you how this is done, we need to open at least one particular program. So let's open the Microsoft Word program by going to Start. From the list of programs, we look for Word in the W section, and there's Word, and it will ask you to start a document, and this time we will choose a blank document. Now when you open the Microsoft Word, what you notice is that it will say this is document 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. This is document 7 because it's the 7th blank document we try to open on my computer today. So this is a document. Now if you open a Microsoft PowerPoint, it also comes with its own look as a document. So, and I can work with this particular document. So Word is normally a document you type in information and you can do some other things. So for example, I say this is a boy. So to be sure that I can have this document and I can get it anytime I want, I need to be able to save the document. That brings us to the topic, saving documents or files. Now when you save a document or anything in your computer, it becomes a file. So, and that's why we'll be talking also about files more often later. And to save this particular document, this is common for all Microsoft applications. To save a document, you just go to File, you click Save, and it will bring out a sub window. You can click Browse to choose the location where you want to save it. So I will click Browse. Now when I click Browse, it will open this other window. This window we call the File Explorer, and that is what we used to know in the past as Windows Explorer. That is also something that we will look more to. So this is the Save As window, which is in form of a file or Windows Explorer. Now you have to look at, okay, which location do I want to store it? Now you can store your document in the internal storage or the hard disk of your computer. You can also store it in an external storage like a USB stick. Okay, so first of all, I will store this document in my computer. So to do that, I will have to go to this computer. When I click on it, I should be able to see, I drag this down, I should be able to see all the locations, that's the things that are in my computer: local drive C and local drive D. So I have my drive splitted into two, and this is where I normally put my things to be safe, because Windows 10 is stored on C. And if anything would happen to Windows 10, I still have my documents in the second part of my hard drive or my hard disk. So if I want to save it, I will go in there and just double click, and I can create a folder, or maybe just type the name. We will talk about folder later, and I will call it This Is a Boy. So let's save, and it will save it on the drive D. So that is saved, and here you will say save to the PC. Now another way to save is if you have an external storage. So I have a USB with me. I'm going to connect the USB to the computer, and you will hear a sound which indicates that I'm connecting an external device to my computer. Now if you don't hear sound, then maybe I switched off my computer sound, but this is what I'm going to do. So I will put that here. Oh, okay, there is no sound, so I will take it out again.